This is one of the most creative kitchens that you will ever see. Do you know that India is the only place in the world where you find a crispy paneer burger? And so what? Let's do it. So I've got some really nice, about 3 steaks of paneer, as I would call them, about 50 to 70 grams each. First we're going to start marinating this. Now for my marination here, I have some ginger garlic paste here. And to this we're going to be adding thode se masale. So a little bit of haldi, a little bit of red chilli powder, and I would do a bit of garam masala. Okay, perfecto. To this, let's add a little bit of salt. Nice. And a touch of chili flakes as well. To this, I'm going to be adding Emami Ultralite Soyabean oil, which I'm going to be using to marinate it. And also, I'm going to be using the same oil to actually fry the paneer as well. Now, there is a reason to do it. I'm using this in the marinade because for me, this is the most cleanest flavor that I have found in the kitchen. And also at the same time, it is very universal. यानी कि वो जो oil है ना, कभी predominate नहीं करता है. Okay, it brings all the flavors out. You can use it in Asian cooking. You can use it even in Western cooking. In case अगर आप pastas बना रहे हो or you're doing something else with some other kind of food, any kind of cooking is possible with this. And frying के लिए तो बिल्कुल I don't even think of anything else because कोई चुप नहीं है. You know, you don't have that oil residue. You know, everything is beautiful and crunchy and absolutely dry when you fry it. That's the beauty part of it. So I'm going to drop this here, piece after piece. Give this a little marination just like this. So nicely marinated. You could even do this in advance and keep it. If you don't want to crumb it and fry it, you can just simply pan fry them in ultralight oil as well. As I said, neutral flavor, no chip. Next, we have about a tablespoon of flour or Maida. And here I have a little bit of cornflour. Okay. Now इसको हल्का सा नमक डालते हैं और अभी हम थोड़ी सी इसमें हल्दी डाल देते हैं. Okay. So we are making a light batter. Okay. So that we can dip our paneer inside और उसके बाद हम उसे breadcrumbs में roll करेंगे. तो ये हल्का सा होता है. You find recipes जिसमें बेसन भी यूज होते हैं. A lot of people like to use different kinds of starch. If you have a problem with gluten, यानी कि आप मैदा or any products which have मैदा अगर आप नहीं खा सको, no big deal. You can even use besan or rice flour or a combination of rice flour and besan. Okay? Perfecto. So अब we have to drop our paneer in this. And then simply we are going to move into a paneer. But for that, I need a bit of preparation. Perfect. So we have our breadcrumbs here. Perfecto. Next, we going to be इसको हम batter में डाल देते हैं बिल्कुल. Now remember, one hand is the clean hand. Okay. This is my clean hand so that I can mix them into this. And this is my dirty hand. That's how we used to learn in college. So, usko halka sa be very careful with this, and then drop it into this. और उसको हम बिल्कुल evenly coat कर देते हैं, just like this. Now there are various ways. Sometimes you want a better crumbing. So what I do in that case, मैंने अभी वापस इसमें डाला है. Then I'm going to be putting it back inside. Okay, you're going to give this a little mix here. And then into our breadcrumbs again. तो क्या होती है? You get a double crispiness and a double coating with it. So similarly, I'm going to be doing the same with the other two, and then we're going to start frying it. For frying, for me, it's Emami healthy and tasty Ultralite soybean oil, no chip, clean flavors. So we have our paneer, जो हमने क्रम किया है मैरिनेशन के बाद. अभी हम इसमें crispy fry करेंगे. It'll take not more than a couple of minutes. I also have with me some fresh buns. We're going to make a very quick hot sauce mayo with this. इसके लिए मेरे पास है sriracha. I have some sriracha. I have some lovely pickled onions here as well. So पूरी तैयारी से आया हूँ मेरा बर्गर बनाने. Lettuce भी है हमारे पास if you want to use it. Perfecto. And now slowly and carefully dip your paneer in, and once it starts getting color, it's going to slowly rise to the top. The idea here is that we have to just heat our paneer through, okay? Because paneer you don't really need to cook. It's already kind of cooked already. So basically यहाँ हमें सिर्फ अपने जो पनीर की जो स्टेक है, जो पैटी जो हमने बनाई है, वो हमें सिर्फ गोल्डन ब्राउन करना है बस. Wow, now look at that. Now that's what I call a really crispy, delicious and non-greasy paneer. And you can hear, nice and crispy. Oh yeah. Bilkul, no chip, just check it out and look how crunchy, crispy and such a beautiful color we have here. Wow, amazing. So a little butter in this. Perfect. Same thing here, a little bit of butter. Boom, nice. So you want to lightly toast them, you don't want to make them like as you make toast for breakfast. हल्का सा धीमी सी आंच में, we just have to lightly warm it up and color them, that's it. तो अब ये जो थोड़ा सा lettuce है हमारे पास, you can put it whole inside, but generally what I like to do is I like to give it a little shred, okay? बिल्कुल fine strips में काट के इसको, perfect. And we are going to be cutting our lettuce into thin strips. So we have our toasted buns here. अभी हम पहले से sauce डालेंगे. तो I've got a little bit of mayonnaise here. I've got a little bit of hot garlic sauce. Okay. So we are doing a hot garlic mayo, जो हमारा sauce बन जाएगा. बहुत ही easy है. You can create some amazing sauces at home on your own. Adding a bit of this sauce here. We'll go in here. Then we add some lettuce here. Some sliced tomatoes. And then we're going to be adding a little bit of our sauce in here. Some lovely pickled onions made in the house. How beautiful are these? And then our lovely paneer steak on the top. Fantastic. On top of that, I have my little touch. I'm going to be adding the same sauce which I've made here with a little addition. So we add a bit of our hot garlic mayo here on the top. Fantastic. And a little bit of chutney. Beautiful. And then I'm adding a little bit of lettuce. So there is a crunch and munch in every bite. Perfecto. So हमारा शानदार पनीर बर्गर is ready. अभी इसको थोड़ा सा हम टोपे पहना देते हैं. And look at that. Now that looks like a tower of power. to hold our paneer together. Perfect. Paneer burger ready.